Hi, today we are going to discuss pattern or series questions which are based on images. In the question you will be given a few images and you are asked to find the next image or missing image. To solve these type of questions, we need to identify the relationship between the given images. Once we will be able to identify the relationship, we will be able to find the pattern and can choose the next image. Although there are no specific rule for the relationship, but below points can help you find the relationship. So what we will do is we'll start and look for the repetition of image after a specific term. So many a times you will find that there is few images, and after that the same set of images is getting repeated. So that way you can find out which image should be coming to the place where it is missing. Next is what we have to do is we have to look at the direction of the image or direction of the objects in the image. We have to look for number of sides on the image, because many a times the question is based on the number of sides. Many a times the series is based on the image movement, whether the images are being moved as clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. You know that the clockwise direction, let's say the clock is like this. Okay, so if it is a clock, if the image is moving like this, it is called clockwise direction. And if the clock is like this and image is moving like this direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. Sometimes you have to look for the shape of the object to find out the basic pattern. So this is basically you have to look closely to all the images and find out what relationship are there on those images so that you can find a pattern. Let's start with some examples so that we can understand what we are learning. So this is a question here. The question is that we have got few images and we need to find out what will come at this place. Now, so we have lots of images here. The first image is this, then this, then this, then this, then we have this image, then we have this image. One is missing and another image is this. So as I have told you earlier, try to find out if there is something which is getting repeated. So for example, this image is there which is on the first place. So this is on the first place. Let's say this is on the second place, this is on the third place, this is on the fourth place, or till now we have encountered all the unique images. This is on the fifth place. Now if you see this image, this is already used here. So this is basically the same image used here. So most probably this will be repeated here and this will be repeated here. So yeah, so that is what the pattern is. So what is missing? Missing image is this one. And where is that? This is C. So for this the answer will be C. Let's look at the next image. Now which of the following option will complete the picture? So we have a square where a square design is there and where one part is missing. We need to put which option can fill that part. So it's plain and simple. The outer part is of orange color, so this place orange color thing should come. So let's see which all are orange color. So this is orange, this is orange, this is orange. So these three are orange. We can remove this. Now if we are putting this image, there is a circle which is red color circle which need to be complete. So let's see which all options have red color circle. So we have red color circle on the option A and option D. Okay, now after the red color circle, here we have yellow color, and if you see option A, here the color is orange. So this is orange, whereas the original picture, in this picture we have yellow. So that way if you look at it, the correct option will be D. Let's look at another example here. Now complete the following image. So here we have to complete the image, and the image is like this. So see, every image will have this and a circle. So I'm looking for something which has this and this. So I can remove this, I can remove this, because these two are not having circle and that kind of figure. Now we have remaining option is A and D. Now here A and D looks almost similar. The only thing is the A option is having this little bigger and D is having this little smaller, and as we see this also is a small one. So the correct answer will be D. Now let's look at our next example. Here, which image will come at the place of question mark? So we are looking for what should come here. Now let's say we have half, full, half. Now this is like in this direction, full in this direction, this full this direction, this full this direction, this full this direction. So we are looking for this and this. So answer A is right. Okay. So I hope that whatever we have discussed, you are able to follow the concept. If not, please rewind the video and watch it again. It's a very simple concept. You just have to monitor, you just have to concentrate on the series of images. You will be able to find out a specific pattern, and once the pattern is clear, you can easily get which option should be correct option. Thank you.